In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove customized quick access toolbar shortcuts that you added on your Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you had added any quick access to help you navigate around Word and you wish to remove them, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and click on File. And then from File, go ahead and click on Options. Now under Options, you should get this dialog. And from this, go ahead and choose Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can see we have quick access commands that you can choose from. And here you can see the list that you have already customized. For instance, I added this quick access command on this, but I wish to remove it. To remove it, go ahead and click on the item that you added. So I'll click on Insert Picture here. And now you can see we have an option to remove it here. Click on Remove. And you can see it has been removed and it has disappeared from my customized access toolbar list. Now, to save the changes, go ahead and click on OK. And this will now save the current changes. So that's how you can delete any customized quick access toolbar command on your Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.